Welcome to Math Challenge 418. And now in 418 we have got a question. These types of questions are important for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. We are given a sequence, a series of numbers, and one of the numbers is missing. It is represented by P. So you have to find the value of P. So find the missing number P in the sequence 2, 5, 9, P, 20, 27. So in case how the numbers are formed, you do not know or readily it does not come to your head, here is a method which will be applicable in almost all the cases. If you know the numbers like square plus 1 or square plus 2 or cube minus 1, then it is easy. But if you do not know the rule by which numbers are formed or by the rule by which numbers are generated in sequence, then we will illustrate a method which will be very useful for these types of questions. For all the number sequence, we will illustrate one method which will be applicable in almost all the cases in case you do not find readily the answer to these number series questions. So Math Challenge 418, let us find the value of P, the missing number in the series. So this is the series. Now the method which we are going to illustrate is called the constant difference method. The constant difference method. It is often useful when the logic behind the generation of numbers is not readily apparent at the first glance. If at the first sight, at the first glance, it does not occur to you by what logic, by what rule the numbers are generated, then this constant difference method will be very useful. We will illustrate the constant difference method in case of this series. So let us write down the successive increment or difference as follows. The series is 2, 5, 9 we have written. Now we are writing the difference. 2 and 5, difference 3, 5 and 9, difference 4, 9 and P, difference will be P minus 9, P and 20, the difference will be 20 minus P, and 20 and 27, the difference is 7. So we are writing the difference between successive numbers. 2, 5, difference 3, 5, 9, difference 4, 9, P, that is P minus 9, P, 20, that is 20 minus P, and 20, 27, the difference 7. So we have written the difference between successive pairs of numbers. Now seeing 3, 4 and then two values and then 7, it readily suggests consecutive number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 consecutive numbers and then 2 are missing and then 7. So the first thing that comes to your head is consecutive number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will test it. This is a hypothesis. It may or may not be true. We will test it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if that is the difference, actually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if that is the difference, then P minus 9 should be 5 and 20 minus P should be 6. So let us check. P minus 9 is 5, then P equal to 14. And if 20 minus P equal to 6, then P equal to 14. So in both the cases, we are getting the same answer. That means the results are consistent. So we can confirm now that P is 14. Because if P is 14, then we will get 9 and 14, the difference 5, 3, 4, 5, and P and 20, that is 14 and 20, the difference 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then next 7. So the differences in order will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So taking P minus 9 equal to 5 and 20 minus P equal to 6, we test it, and in both the cases we are getting P equal to 14. So the results are consistent. We are not getting two different results. So P equal to 14. So numbers are generated with difference of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the required missing number P is 14.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.